You guys know what was my biggest concern when I found out I was pregnant? That I couldn't use most of my skincare products. And my doctor suggested me that I stay away from all those products, and that really put me in a fix. And today, when I walked into the Lifestyle facility, that's when these products caught my eye. Today, I'm going to be in a very interesting conversation with the founder of these products and the brand Ayurveda. With me, I have Taru ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing great, and I'm so thrilled to have you, Ashwini.
Thank you.
So happy that you're here, and I'm happy that you got to see the facility.
Yes. First thing first, how did you develop this idea? Because a lot of pregnant women out there, we are struggling to find perfect skincare brands, and most of the women have stopped using products only. So tell me, how did you find this?
So coming from the health background, we've always been, health has always been in the forefront for us, and we've always been evolving to make this place a better and safe place for the mother and baby healthcare sector.
Okay.
So we've been into stem cell banking, which you've just visited the facility for. And there's a board called the Environmental Working Group, which did a research on the umbilical cord blood of the baby, where we found 200 plus toxins in the newborn's cord blood, which was such a shocking revelation, because the baby is just born, and imagine finding so many toxins in his body, and the first question is, where did it come from? So of course it stems from the mother's food and the skincare products she uses. Anything which you consume,
it goes directly into the baby.
Goes within 26 seconds inside your bloodstream. So people should be really aware of what you put
on
through your skin.
Oh, not many people actually are aware of this. We all think we eat something, we drink something, that goes to the baby.
No, like how we have food, we think organic and natural. Of course, skincare is the biggest thing which you keep putting every day on and off, so not consciously thinking about.
Not many people, even I didn't know about this until now. So how are your products different from the products in the market already?
First of all, if you have had a look at any of the products, you would see these 3 certifications, Ashwini. So we've gone into very deeper research into creating natural products and products which are effective. So we have this very big certification of EcoCert, which allows us to be natural, because EcoCert comes from a certification body. To get this certification, it's really, really tough, because you need to know the entire source of the ingredient, right from the time it's been sown and from the farm till the time the ingredient is made. Till that time you have to know the source when you need to be EcoCert certified. And you need to follow good manufacturing practices, because any facility where we are making these formulations need to be thoroughly audited by EcoCert. And going forward, they also have sustainability standards for maintaining labels, packaging material. So how sustainable are we to the environment?
So we are not just good for the baby and the mom, we are good for the environment also as well. Oh, nice. And what are the other certifications?
So next comes in EWG. EWG is a certification body which has a restricted list of ingredients which we should not use. A list of about 13,000 plus ingredients which is been banned in EU and even in United States of America, and these ingredients should never be used upon any of the formulations. Absolutely.
And then
this is the most important certification which nobody in the country is doing, and that is called lab tested. We are the only one in the country doing it, because we have the expertise and we of course have the facility, and this test is conducted in our own facility.
Is so cool. Usually people say we don't test it on any other products or any other animals or species. We test it on lab grown tissue cells.
Firstly, it is animal testing is banned. But if no animal testing also equates to no testing at all. You would not know whether the product is working or not. But I'm going ahead a step and letting you know that the product is tested on a 3D human skin, which tells you in real time whether the product is working or not.
Oh, nice. Ma'am, now we spoke about all the certifications, how this ideation came into place and all. So what are the range of products that we have right now?
So the range of products, of course, we do have for pregnancy, we have for new mothers and baby. Pregnancy, any product which you take here, Ashwini, everything is related to a concern. So say pregnancy, it could be melasma, as hyperpigmentation, which is also called, and stretch marks, and probably even dark circles if people have pregnancy issues where they have sleep deprivation and of course hormonal changes and imbalance. So those are the products. The same way, if you look at say new moms, I would come to the baby, but I'm just going to new moms saying that maybe she wants to recover and she wants to regenerate herself. So we have a postnatal massage oil which also works very well on relieving pains and aches and replenishing the nourishment which your body requires at that point of time.
Mhm.
And the complete baby range, I would say, is my most favorite because it's absolutely so well tested, and I feel that everybody should have had these products, because the products which we actually see in the market are all chemical loaded. Absolutely. So this is like, if I'm saying anti-irritation, like any of these products, when I'm talking to you about cellular tests, but there are 10 plus tests which we conduct to come to these results and efficacy which I'm talking to you today. If I'm talking about baby massage oil, and if I'm talking that it strengthens bones, so I'm giving you this claim that it strengthens bones is only depending on, we've done a more bone mineralization test. We've also done a tube formation test. These are maybe
Technical
words to you.
Yeah.
So tube formation is nothing but the blood circulation of the baby.
Oh.
How it improves the blood circulation, only that would help you strengthen the bones and muscles, and eventually lead to growth.
Okay.
When I'm talking about strengthened bones, we run these tests to get the result on tube formation, which is nothing but blood circulation
For a baby. Okay.
So when you massage with this oil, it improves the blood circulation of the baby.
And that way it helps in the bone.
There's another bone mineralization test as well. So we test this oil also on that, and we've tested the marketed products also to have a comparative that how our oil is working, and we have certain benchmarks for these tests to run.
Wow.
Benchmark.
All your claims are actually true.
Yeah, the claims are
And that's the
true. We
reason-
have supporting assays for it,
Uh-huh.
and we have research papers to back our claims, stating that these ingredients which we've chosen, we have data to prove that to you, that they are going to bring you efficacy to the product. Let me come back to you on one important aspect, where fragrance is a very, very important, crucial aspect for a baby product, which I think none of the brands put it up. And even as a consumer, as mothers, they should know that it's very, very harmful for your baby. So we put no artificial fragrance of any of our products. The only fragrance which we put in few of the products would be essential oils, and that also comes with a limit. There's a limit for a baby, and there's a limit for an adult, and we never cross that.
Since I'm a pregnant mother, stretch marks is a huge concern.
Absolutely.
And anybody we meet, they tell us, no, use moisturizers, do this and that, and they all have their own way of telling how not to have stretch marks. But tell me, is it possible to not have stretch marks, or how does your products work?
See, if you're asking me a generic question, is it possible to not have stretch marks? Yes, it is possible if your skin is blessed with, highly
Elasticity.
Absolutely. And I know few people who don't have stretch marks also.
All right.
So I would believe so.
Ma'am, while talking to you, when you were talking about your products very passionately, one thing that I got to know is that you brought in a very ethical product. It's totally clean and natural. So tell me, what are your key ingredients? How do you make these products?
That's a very good question, Ashwini. I would like to bring to you that we also make 4 hero ingredients in-house, which is Cryo Coffee, Cryo Oats, Cryo Hayal, and Cryo Gold.
I've heard about gold, coffee, oats, all of this. What is this Cryo Gold, Cryo Coffee, Cryo Oats?
Cryo is a cryogenic technology. So we've used cryogenic milling here. So we take the ingredient per se, say for example oats. There is a mill in which we mill them at sub-zero minus 196 degrees temperature.
Okay.
And then why do we do that is because to maintain the potency of the ingredient, that it retains the uniform particle size. It also does not, with heat and very harsh grinding, it doesn't lose out the very important
Maximum
minerals
and potential.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
And why only 4 also can be a question from your side.
Yeah.
So I would go probably deeper dive into the ingredients only, but restricting myself to why we only used in the 4 hero ingredients alone.
Okay.
Because one is, it is a laborious time-taking process to do cryo milling, and we only required them in a certain category. So Cryo Gold is something which we put in our serums, which gold, as how finer particle size is what we put, but none of our particle size go beyond micro.
Oh.
So we are a non-nano product, because nano products are not good for your skin.
Okay. Micro products are good, nano products are not good. All these skin related technologies I never knew only.
Absolutely true. We are a non-nano brand. We are anything which we talk about, be it oats, be it zinc, be it gold, we use everything is microparticles.
Great. So your ingredients are clean, the way you're doing are clean, and the product that you bring to the market is clean. And that's the reason why ethically I would suggest people to buy this product, because you know what's there, you know what you're wearing. you know what is getting into
We
your
are
skin.
absolutely transparent.
Yeah, and that is one awareness that everybody should have, is what I feel, what makes us different.
Absolutely.
And your journey and the products that you've brought to the market are truly life changing. Expected mothers like me, and mothers, so many mothers out there who are struggling to find a clean skincare brand. Thank you so much for doing this for us.
It was lovely, Ashwini. I'm so glad that you, came to our facility, and I'm so happy to give you more insights on Ayurveda, and I'm sure you will also experience once you use them.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So one thing that I must definitely say is, if a mother, pregnant mother and a baby can use a product, that means that product is safe for any age group. So that's the kind of product that Ayurveda has brought to the market. And with all the range of products that they have, they're truly life-changing to so many people out there. When I was talking to one of your employees earlier, she said most of your men also prefer your product.
They do.
Your under eye creams and your stretch mark creams. So I think you are catering to a larger audience. So wishing you all the very best.